AllyCats! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to AllyCat Beauty. In today's video, we are going to be revealing what is inside my June IPSY Glam Bag. I am really excited to find out what's in here, so let's get started, AllyCats. Alrighty, AllyCats, so I've got my handy dandy laptop here just to help me with making sure I'm giving you all the correct information. But before we go into the products in the glam bag, I really quickly wanted to go over a little bit about what IPSY is, just because I didn't really do that the last video. So basically, IPSY is a subscription. It's $12 a month for the base glam bag plus tax, and you get 5 deluxe products, so they're a little bit bigger than trial size products, and they're personalized to you. So you take a quiz and they ask you what type of products you want, whether it be hair care, skin care, makeup, etc. And then they ask you what types of colors you like, if you like neutrals or smoky eye, bright colors, and how often you want the different types of products as well. So it's completely personalized to you, and every month you get to choose one product as well. So that is the base bag, and then there is also Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month, and Glam Bag Ultimate, which is $50 a month. So if you want more info on those, I'll link them down below. I personally think it's super worth it, especially if you're new to makeup or new to these different products and you want to try new products and not have to worry about spending so much money. So now let's get into the glam bag. So every month I get this glam bag, and there's always a card in the bag, and the card always has a theme on it. So this month's theme is Make Waves, and then it used to have all of the products on the inside, but now it just gives you little tips and tricks. So this month is 5 tips to maximize your SPF, so that's pretty cool. And then let's get into the products. So first we have this Dewy Tree, the Clean Lab AC Dew Foam. It is slightly acidic cleansing foam which helps sebum control, and it's for sensitive skin. So I couldn't find online what the full size would cost of this, but I did find it in a special set, and it comes with a brush for $16. They do have a sale for $11.20, but in that set it comes with 170 milliliters of product, so the full size is probably around 10 to 12 bucks. But let's look into a little more about this product. So it has a pH value of 6.6, so it's non-irritating, and it's a balanced cleanser which is gentle enough for sensitive skin. They also add in Japanese umbrella pine extract to condition your skin, and the antimicrobial properties thoroughly wash away breakout inducing bacteria, so that's really awesome. And then they also include white willow stem extract, which is a natural source of salicylic acid, which gently exfoliates away dead skin cells, making way for a brighter and even skin tone. So that already sounds really great to me. And then what I like about IPSY is they also put a little excerpt about the brand as well, because I've never heard of Dewy Tree before. So it says here that Dewy Tree is a K-beauty brand which creates dynamic products that use the body's innate healing abilities to enhance the effects of their potent natural ingredients, taking the idea of natural skincare to a whole new level. So I'm already really excited for this, not only because it exfoliates dead skin cells and helps to condition your skin feeling fresh and clean, but also because they use natural skincare ingredients. So with sensitive skin, which I have, it's always really important for me to look for natural skincare products. Alrighty, and then the next one we have in here is this Papa Recipe Eggplant Mud Cream Mask. So this comes with 15 milliliters of product. It features a smoothly gliding cream texture with clay powder to remove sebum and help moisturize dehydrated skin. It has a creamy, slightly grainy texture, which is thanks to finely milled walnut skins, which gently slow away dead skin cells. Hydrating eggplant extract clears and exfoliates, And then kaolin clay gently purifies your pores by removing excess oil, dirt, and debris without stripping your skin of moisture. Plus it helps control future sebum production. So that sounds really awesome. And then the full size of this, I believe, costs $19. Yes, $19 for 100 milliliters. There's also a sale for $11.40. I'll link all these down below as well, so if you guys are interested in trying out the products, you definitely can. But I've also never heard of Papa Recipe. So it says that this brand was created with the desire to create products for beautiful skin using nature's best ingredients. The idea was simple: use plants, fruits, vegetables, or herbs to treat skincare ailments like the brand originator did for his daughter. So again, this sounds really awesome just because it is very natural. It doesn't seem like there are a lot of chemicals in it, which is really good for my sensitive skin as well. And then next we have, let's see, it's Hello Fab, so First Aid Beauty Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with Fig Extract. It is oil-free and safe for sensitive skin. Again, something I'm also really excited to use. So this retails for $29 for the full size for 1.7 ounces of product, and there are 0.34 ounces of product in this right here. So it says, keep your look on lock through heat, sweat, humidity, and more with this oil-free multitasking makeup primer. It creates a smooth, grippy base for makeup to make any foundation, concealer, or tinted moisturizer you layer on top long-lasting and crease-proof. A few dots blur pores, fine lines, and rough texture to give your skin a soft focus, airbrushed finish. So that sounds really good because sometimes when I do have dry patches or if I do have some acne or breakouts, it's really nice to be able to smooth that over. It also says that oleanolic acid keeps excess oil in check throughout the day, and it has pore minimizing effects which aren't just temporary. The treatment formula is infused with salicylic acid to degunk pores and shrink their size with continued use. So that's awesome because it's not just something that you put on and it helps fix it in that moment, but it's, if you keep using it, it helps to continue and fix those problems. So First Aid Beauty, I think I've used a couple of their products before, but just a little more about the brand. It says their everyday essentials and targeted skincare solutions deliver quick relief and lasting results, and all come in feel-good textures. All Fab products are formulated with clean, skin-loving ingredients that are safe for sensitive skin. So you'll be seeing this in my next video. And then we have this Pout on Point Pop Beauty in Risque Rose. So this is a lip liner, and it's got like this triangle applicator, so that's supposed to help with lining your lips, but it looks like a nice color. And then this is actually full size, so sometimes, especially when it's like lip liners or eyeliners, you will get a full size product in your Glam Bag, and this retails for $6 and it's 0.35 grams of product. So already that makes this bag pretty worth it because you have 3 other products already plus this, which is half the cost of the bag. So that's awesome. So the product is an easy to wear lip color. This is what it looks like, by the way. And then it is a long wearing formula that's made with vitamin E, which keeps your lips feeling soft and nourished. And then Risque Rose is a deep rosy brown shade that's perfect for the season. It's super versatile, so you can wear it alone, before lipstick, or under your go-to lip gloss. And then about Pop Beauty, it says, so many stylish things come out of London, including cult favorite brand Pop Beauty. They're beloved worldwide for their vibrant, on-trend beauty products inspired by pop culture, including fashion, art, and music. So I don't really have a lot of lip liners. I don't play around with them too much, but I do want to get to play around with them more, so I'm really excited for this as well. The final product in here, which I'm so excited about because this is the product that I chose, it's this Ofra by Talia highlighter in Soho. It's full size. I'm like, ugh, I'm so excited. So let me swatch this real quick. So you can already like see how pigmented that is. I've heard so many good things about this highlighter. So that is that. Oh, let me swatch the lip liner too, just so you guys can see. see it. So that is the lip liner.
Oh, there's a fly in this room.
Anyway, that's the lip liner next to the highlighter, but I'm so excited for the highlighter. So the highlighter itself retails for $35 and it is 10 grams of product. So that's already almost 3 times the cost of the bag, which is great because it means that the bag is definitely worth it. But a little bit about the highlighter. It says glow goals coming right up. This champagne peach highlighter is a one-way ticket to your most radiant skin ever. Plush pearl pigments catch the light to illuminate your features and give your complexion a warm shimmery sheen. It's a unique powder formula that uses a liquid to baked technology to ensure maximum color payoff and serious sparkle every time you swipe it on. And it did feel like really nice and buttery when I was going to swatch it, so I'm really excited. And then it's also vegan and cruelty free too, which is great. I always try to go cruelty free with all of my products if I can, and if it's vegan as well, then that's just an extra plus. And then about Ofra, in case you guys haven't heard of the brand, Ofra Cosmetics has quickly become beloved by celebs, Olympic athletes, makeup pros, and more. It's all about products that make you look and feel good 24/7, and with essentials for work to weekend, day to night, there's something for every lifestyle. Alrighty you guys, so that is it for this video. That's all the information I have for you guys. I hope it was detailed enough. I'm really excited to try all of these, so stay tuned for my next video where I am going to be using all 5 of the products. So I'll be going in with the cleanser and the mask for skincare, and then the primer to prep my face, and then I'll be finishing off my makeup look with the lip liner and the highlighter. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and comment down below which product you're most excited to see me try out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, and if you want to get a notification every time I upload a new video, go ahead and ring that bell. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at AllyCat Beauty. And remember, beauty radiates from within, so don't forget to be confident and be you. See you later, AllyCats!